Welcome back to our channel. Today's topic is involute. Under this involute, we will discuss about triangle, square, circle. These are all the very basic profiles. So first make sure that we are understanding the concept how to make the involute for this. Then later I will make a complicated profile like hexagon, pentagon, etc. So normally when we are starting with involute profile making, we are always having some difficulties and confusions from where do we have to start. That's the main question. So you see, for starting from where we can make the lines, see another difficulties. I am not showing the step by step for making the first step where we can start. So these much ideas are came if you are going for simple configuration like a triangle. So after watching this clip, I'm sure that you will get a clear-cut idea from where we have to start, from where we have to finish it, how to make the profile without any difficulties. Okay, now we can go to the slides. Now first problem, take that draw the involute profile for an equilateral triangle having a side of A. Instead of A, you can put any numerical values and you can follow the steps, you will get a triangle. First, we have to make the triangle as per the given size. Then you have to give the names 1, 2, 3. Then later, you have to mark the side how much. It is A, I have mentioned, so it is A. Now give the name, and you see I have made one small arrow directions so that it's telling from where we going to start and where we going to end. It will start from here and it will end. It's in anti-clockwise direction. Name should given in the clock direction, but the drawing what I going to teach you how to follow it in the anti-clockwise direction. Now after marking this thing, we should make a horizontal line from 1, 3, make a horizontal line, 2, 3 side make one line, and 1, 2 side, 2, 1 side also you have to make one line on the sides. Then you have to check from where to we have to make the arc, what will be the distance. For making the first arc, the radius is the distance between 1 to 3, that is a base distance which is given in the problem, and where you have to place your compass is at the point of 1. Okay. You have to cut one arc as like you give one name. I given it's a first arc, so I given the name A1. Second, what we have to do, second arc, the radius is A1 to 2. You have to measure A1 to 2, the distance you have to measure. Keep your compass on the point number 2, then cut another arc. Okay. Third, as you know this, third arc is we have to measure the distance A2 to 3, then keep your compass on the 3 as a center, then you cut one more arc on the horizontal line. Now you have the silent points, then you have to connect it fully, you will get the profile for triangle involute. So these are the points. Now if you want to cross check whether your progress is correct or not, you just measure it. 3 to A3 should be 3 times because it's an equilateral triangle, so it should be 3 times. If it is 3 times means you are okay. Similarly, you can check A2 to 2 what is the distance. If it is 2 times, you can check that's correct. Okay, then you connect. You should connect up to profile 1, but I have connected the point A2 to 3 because I am facing little bit difficulties. So you have to complete the remaining 2 sides, that is A2 to A1 and A1 to origin, that is up to 3. You have to make it. Next slide, we will see how to make a tangent and normal for this involute. Now for the same problem, I am repeating the procedure 1, 2, 3 namings and giving the direction. We are making the lines, arc from where to where we are cutting step by step so that you can be with me. Now profile is cut. So what we have to do, simply you pick up any point on the profile. I pick up this point, then we should make one straight line through the point to point number 3, because the sender for this arc is point number 3. We got it. Or you can check the third arc is radius a to 3, sender is 3. So towards the sender I have to make one straight line like this. So this is the normal, and you know that perpendicular to normal is always tangent. Okay, job is finished. Please give the suitable name to tangent and normal as per your own wish. Here I have not given any name. Try to do yourself. Now the next one is the square. Very easy. Now as I told in the problem, side is A, so I am making one square, giving the name in clockwise direction. Then from 1-4 side I am making one line, right? And you know that 3-4-3 also I have to make one line. 2-3 side I have to make one line. 1-2 side I would make one line, right? Then first arc, as I told, you have to measure the distance between 1 to 4, and you have to keep 1 as a sender. Cut the arc, point 1. Similarly, then move your compass to point number 2, point it, then you measure the distance P1 to 2, cut an arc on the second line, it's P2. Similarly, you have to repeat it for point number 3, P3, point number 4, 4. So here also, if you want to check your progress, just measure the distance, it will tell. So 4A, 3A, 2A, it will tell, because it's a square, you can easily calculate and you can cross check. Right. And I have connected the arc for this point 4. Now I have picked up one small point, as I told, for this arc. Point 4 is the center point, so I have to make one line up to center point 4. Then perpendicular to this, I have to make one line. I think that problem is over. It's very simple. If you see point 3 to point 2, I have not connected, but you have to connecting. And point P2 to P1 I have not connected, you should connect. P1 to 4, that origin also you should connect, then only the problem will be over.